garden, and I have them on my balcony. Only on my balcony.
Good.
They're very hardy. Certain ones.
Gonna sneak past you here?
Yeah, yes, please.
Anyway, she can't do that. She has to, what she has to do Well, that is what they all say on the Liberty Canada site on the Facebook page. Oh, I just can't believe that we shook, you know? And it makes me so mad when I read all this. I've got to have my cake and my cookies. Oh, it doesn't hurt if I have a little bit. We can stand here for a minute. No. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh. The top button, doesn't the top button turn it off? Oh no. I leave my volume on and yeah, I just do this.
Yes. Particularly right after today.
This is from our Italy trip. I was talking to Liz on the phone. All these kids need braces. But anyway, we'll do the path down. This is Liz's brother, Joe, and his wife Mary Lou, who helped us find a place in Italy.